Hey there, science fans! Today is a special day for all you budding chemists and science enthusiasts out there. Get ready to celebrate a super fun day, National Mole Day. It's a day dedicated to one of the most fundamental concepts in chemistry. Don't worry, we're not talking about the furry little creatures that dig holes in your garden. No, this mole is something entirely different and way more exciting. We're talking about something much smaller, something you can't even see without a super-duper microscope. This mole is a unit of measurement used in chemistry to count particles like atoms and molecules. Mole Day is all about the mole, a unit of measurement in chemistry. It's a way for scientists to talk about really tiny things in a way that makes sense. Just like we use inches to measure length or pounds to measure weight, chemists use moles to measure tiny things called atoms and molecules. But why do we need a special unit for this? Imagine trying to count all the grains of sand on a beach. That's a lot, right? Now, imagine if you had to count something even smaller and more numerous than grains of sand. Well, atoms and molecules are even smaller than grains of sand, and there are way more of them. In fact, there are so many that counting them individually would be impossible. That's why we have the mole. It helps us talk about these tiny particles in a much easier way. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 x 10 circumflex 23 particles. That's a huge number known as Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is named after the scientist Amedeo Avogadro, who helped us understand the relationship between the amount of substance and the number of particles. So when chemists say they have a mole of something, they mean they have 6.022 x 10 circumflex 23 of those things, whether they're atoms, molecules, or ions. Mole Day is celebrated on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. to honor Avogadro's number 6.022 x 10 circumflex 23. It's a fun way to remember this important concept in chemistry. Schools and science clubs around the world celebrate Mole Day with all sorts of activities, from making mole-themed crafts to performing exciting chemistry experiments. There are quizzes, games, and even special Mole Day treats. It's a day to have fun and learn more about the fascinating world of chemistry. So whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who loves science, take a moment to celebrate Mole Day. It's a great opportunity to appreciate the wonders of chemistry and the incredible work of scientists like Avogadro. Remember, chemistry is all around us. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in the technology we use every day. Understanding the mole helps us understand the building blocks of everything in the universe. So next time you hear the word mole, think about the amazing world of atoms and molecules that it represents. And don't forget to celebrate Mole Day with a big smile and lots of enthusiasm. Happy Mole Day, everyone. Let's make it a day filled with fun, learning, and a deeper appreciation for the tiny particles that make up our world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. See you soon, science fans. Now let's talk about a really big number, Avogadro's number. It's named after a super smart scientist named Amedeo Avogadro. Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power. That's a 6 with 23 zeros after it. Wowzers, this giant number tells us how many atoms or molecules are in 1 mole of a substance. It's like saying there are 12 eggs in a dozen, but instead of eggs, we have atoms and molecules. So why do we celebrate Mole Day? Because it's a fun way to learn about chemistry. We celebrate Mole Day on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. Get it? 6:02, 1023, just like Avogadro's number. It's a day for all of us to appreciate the amazing world of atoms, molecules, and the incredible reactions they create. Section 4. Fun facts about Mole Day. Here are some fun facts about Mole Day. 1. Mole Day was created by a chemistry teacher. That's right, a teacher thought it would be a great way to get students excited about chemistry. The idea was to make learning about the mole concept, which is fundamental in chemistry, more engaging and fun for students. By celebrating Mole Day, students can participate in various activities, experiments, and even themed parties that revolve around chemistry. 2. People celebrate Mole Day all over the world. It's not just limited to one country or region. From the United States to Canada to Australia, chemistry enthusiasts everywhere join in on the fun. Schools, universities, and even some workplaces organize events to mark the occasion. These celebrations can include anything from mole-themed games and competitions to special lectures and demonstrations by guest speakers. 3. There's a National Mole Day Foundation. This organization was established to promote the celebration of Mole Day and to support chemistry education. This organization helps promote the importance of chemistry education and make sure everyone has a mole-tastic time celebrating. They provide resources, ideas, and support for teachers and students who want to make the most out of Mole Day. The foundation also recognizes outstanding contributions to chemistry education and encourages innovative ways to teach and learn about chemistry. 4. Mole Day often involves creative and fun activities. Students and teachers alike get into the spirit by making mole-themed crafts, participating in quizzes, and even baking mole-themed treats. These activities not only make learning about chemistry more enjoyable, but also help reinforce important concepts in a memorable way. 5. Some schools take it a step further with mole-themed performances. Students might dress up in mole costumes, perform skits, or even sing songs about the mole concept. These performances can be a great way to showcase creativity and teamwork while also deepening their understanding of chemistry. 6. There are often awards and recognitions given out on Mole Day. Teachers might give certificates or small prizes to students who excel in chemistry or who show great enthusiasm for the subject. This can be a wonderful way to motivate students and celebrate their achievements. 7. Mole Day is also a time for reflection and appreciation. After all the fun and activities, students and teachers can take a moment to reflect on what they've learned and appreciate the importance of chemistry in our everyday lives. It's a day to celebrate not just the mole concept, but the entire field of chemistry and its impact on the world. So, there you have it. Mole Day is a fantastic way to make chemistry exciting and engaging for everyone. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just a chemistry enthusiast, there's something for everyone to enjoy on this special day. Happy Mole Day! Section 5. Mole-tastic activities for you. Welcome to a world of fun and learning where chemistry comes alive through engaging activities. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just a science enthusiast, these activities are designed to make Mole Day an unforgettable experience. Here are some fun activities you can do to celebrate Mole Day, a special day dedicated to Avogadro's number and the wonders of chemistry. These activities are perfect for classrooms, science clubs, or even at home with family and friends. 1. Make a mole model. This is a fantastic way to get hands-on with chemistry. Use clay, construction paper, or even food to create your very own mole. You can shape it into a cute little animal or a more abstract representation of a mole in chemistry. Get creative and have fun with it. This activity not only helps you understand the concept of a mole, but also allows you to express your artistic side. You can even turn it into a friendly competition to see who can make the most creative mole model. 2. Bake some molecular cookies. This is a delicious way to learn about molecules and atoms. Use cookie cutters to make cookies shaped like atoms and molecules. You can find cutters in various shapes or even make your own using aluminum foil. You can even use frosting to connect them and create different chemical compounds. This activity is not only educational, but also a tasty treat for everyone involved. Imagine the joy of eating a cookie shaped like a water molecule or a glucose molecule. 3. Write a Mole Day poem or song. This is a wonderful way to combine your love for chemistry with your creative writing or musical skills. Let your creativity flow and express your love for chemistry through words and music. You can write a poem about Avogadro's number, the periodic table, or any other chemistry concept that fascinates you. If you're musically inclined, compose a song and perform it for your friends or classmates. And 4. Have a Mole Day scavenger hunt. This is an exciting way to reinforce chemistry concepts while having fun. Hide clues around your house or classroom that relate to chemistry concepts. Each clue can lead to the next, with the final clue leading to a special prize. This activity encourages teamwork, problem solving, and a deeper understanding of chemistry. The first one to find all the clues wins a prize. This could be anything from a small toy to a science kit. The important thing is to make learning fun and engaging. So gather your friends, family, or classmates and dive into these mole-tastic activities. Celebrate Mole Day with creativity, curiosity, and a lot of fun. Section 6. Chemistry. It's all around us. Chemistry is everywhere. It's in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and even in our own bodies. Chemistry helps us understand how things work and why things happen. It helps us create new materials, develop life-saving medicines, and protect our environment. Section 7. Keep asking questions. So there you have it, Mold Day in a nutshell. Remember, science is all about asking questions and exploring the world around us. Never be afraid to ask why or how. Keep your curiosity alive and you'll be amazed by what you can discover.